If you've ever tried managing a growing team, you already know how chaotic it can get. One app for scheduling, another for chats, spreadsheets for time tracking, and sticky notes for reminders that never make sense a week later. Soon enough, you're spending more time managing tools than managing people. That's exactly the problem that we're fixing today. Because in this video, I'll show you a single platform that brings your entire team under one roof, from communication and scheduling to tasks and time off. In this video, I'll walk you through a platform designed specifically for deskless teams. Those working in the field, on site, or on the move. It helps you manage every part of your workflow from one dashboard. Here's what we'll cover: how to organize and group your team automatically, how to simplify communication and updates, how to schedule shifts, assign tasks, and work hours for payroll, and how to manage time off and employee engagement all from one place. And the best part, it's free for up to 10 users. So any small businesses can get started instantly.
Let's start on the admin dashboard. Right from the Overview tab, you get a complete view of your company's activity, active users, engagement, and the tools your team is using the most. It's like your command center for everything related to your business operations. Next, under the Users tab, you can easily add employees, assign roles, and group them by department or location. Once an employee's phone number is added, they'll receive a text message with a quick code to log in. No passwords, no email required. And the moment they're in, they can start using the app right away. Now, here's where it gets smarter: smart groups. You can automatically group employees based on filters like job title, branch, or department. So, whether you're posting updates or scheduling shifts, everything goes to the right people automatically. No more manually sorting or tagging each team member.
One of the biggest challenges in managing teams is keeping communication organized. And that's where Connecteam shines.
With the chat feature, you can replace all those scattered WhatsApp or text groups, create team channels, direct chats, or company-wide announcements, all inside a clean, professional workspace. And when someone leaves the company, their access is automatically revoked, keeping everything secure. Next is the Updates tab, basically your company's own social feed. You can share company updates, post media, celebrate milestones, and even track who's read each update. It keeps your team in the loop without long meetings or messy threads. And then there's the Directory and Help Desk, two simple but powerful tools. The Directory is like a searchable phone book for both company employees and external contacts, such as clients or vendors, keeping everything organized and easy to access in one place. And the Help Desk lets employees send inquiries directly to the relevant team, all tracked in one place, so nothing gets missed.
Now let's move to the operations section, where most of the day-to-day work happens. Time clock. Employees can clock in and out directly from their phones, complete with GPS verification and Connecteam's geofence feature, ensuring employees can only clock in when they're actually on site. You'll see who's working, where they're clocked in from, and how long they've been on shift. Timesheets update automatically, ready for export or integration with payroll.
Paper reports? Gone. You can create digital forms for checklists, inspections, or reports that your team fills out from the app. Submissions appear instantly, time-stamped, and organized. Scheduling. This is one of Connecteam's most powerful tools. You can create, assign, and duplicate shifts in seconds, build weekly templates, and publish them instantly. Employees can add their unavailability and preferred working hours right in the job schedule, giving managers a clear overview. Once shifts are assigned and the team gets instant notifications, they can accept, decline, or request a replacement directly from the app. It's fast, visual, and keeps scheduling simple and stress-free.
With Connecteam's AI-powered scheduling, employees can easily submit their availability, preferred working hours, and time off requests, all visible at a glance in the job schedule. The smart scheduling tool automatically takes into account employee PTO, qualifications, availability, and other limitations to create the most efficient schedule for your team. This automation saves you valuable time, allowing you to focus on what really matters: growing your business.
Quick tasks. Connecteam's Quick Tasks feature allows you to assign tasks to your team, add notes, and track their progress. Managers can see what's completed in real time without micromanaging. Everything stays connected under one dashboard, so you only use what actually helps your team.
Now let's talk about HR, because keeping your team engaged is just as important as managing their time.
With the Celebrations tab, Connecteam automatically keeps track of birthdays and milestones, so you can recognize your team's achievements without reminders or spreadsheets. Add a part about recognitions as well. With Connecteam's recognitions, appreciating your team takes seconds. Pick a badge, add a quick message, and your employees get the recognition they deserve. And under time off, employees can request leave directly from the app. Managers can approve it instantly, and everything stays synced with the schedule. No double bookings, no lost messages, just clarity and control. And what's nice is, Connecteam doesn't stop here. You can also enable extra modules like surveys, rewards.
When you put it all together, here's what you get. Your team clocks in, communicates, checks their schedules, and requests time off, all in one app. And from your dashboard, you see everything live. Every shift, every update, every message. No switching tools, no manual tracking, no confusion. That's what makes Connecteam stand out. It brings your entire team together in one connected workspace. So if you're still managing your team across multiple tools or endless spreadsheets, it's time to simplify. Connecteam gives you everything in one place: time tracking, chat, scheduling, HR, and employee engagement tools, all built for deskless and field teams. From streamlining operations to keeping your workforce connected and motivated, Connecteam makes managing your team easier than ever. And the best part? Connecteam offers a completely free plan for up to 10 users. And if your team's bigger, you can try the 14-day free trial. No credit card required. You'll find the link in the description or pinned comment below. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. Drop your thoughts in the comments and subscribe for more tools that make running your business easier.